Backward jumping rope is a variation of traditional jump rope, where the rope is swung backward, over your head from behind, instead of the usual forward motion. It's a great way to improve coordination, agility, and overall fitness by working different muscles and challenging your brain-body connection. How to do backward jump rope. 1. Choose the right rope. Use a rope that reaches your armpits when you stand on the center. Lighter ropes are better for speed. Heavier ropes help with strength and control. 2. Proper starting position. Stand upright with feet shoulder width apart. Hold the handles at hip height, elbows tucked in, and rope behind you. 3. Start the backward swing. Flick your wrists backward to swing the rope up from behind you and over your head. Let the rope hit the ground in front, then jump over it as it comes toward your feet. 4. Jump and land softly. Jump just high enough to clear the rope. No need for high jumps. Land softly on the balls of your feet with knees slightly bent. 5. Keep a rhythm. Start slowly to get the hang of the reverse motion. Try to maintain a steady rhythm. Use your wrists, not your arms, to control the rope. Please check my next video.